Well, can't have a snowstorm without shoveling. It stopped snowing for a little while, but the temperature's going down and the wind kicked up. Now, I took a bit off of here earlier, that's why it don't look like there's much. But we, I guess we got around, I'd say easily the 8 inches they were talking about. But it was windy, so that's why it blew away. Hey, I don't want your bone, you dummy. And no, this ain't gonna be a video about me shoveling snow. It's over there, dummy. Go get it. Well, here's that roof I never finished. Be quiet. It's over there. Go get it. Go. He's really not too swift. I actually came out for 2 reasons. One is because his older bone thing got lost in the snow as I tossed it and he didn't see it. So now he's whining about it. Go lay down. Go. And he actually loves to have the snow thrown at him. Right in the face. That's what he loves. I should have came out earlier before he packed it all down, stomping on it. But I was cold and lazy and decided I'd rather stay inside with the fireplace going, because that was more comfortable. Go! It's over there. Nah, he don't understand. So, let's go and help him find it. Will I find it? I'm not too sure now. Oop. There's the old one. You want it? Dummy. Alright. I'll get back to what I was doing. I don't really need to shovel this too much because I don't come out here as often as I used to. This is mostly for him. Oh, and I found the second bone. So I'll keep that one up there and put it away. Problem with this GoPro thing on my head is I have no idea what you folks are looking at right now. I'm kinda, whoops, I heard a crack. I done broke my shovel. Or cracked it anyway. So I was right, I should have shoveled all this before he stomped all over it. And this is only November. Imagine. Winter's not even here yet. Now they are calling for a bit milder next week. that I'm not sure if it's going to be enough to make all this crap melt or not. Probably not. Oh, he wants me to throw it again. Oh, you want to lose it, eh? Here you go. Well, that was a good catch. I'm not going to bother making a trail over there, but I do need to get to my woodshed, not woodshed, my tool shed actually is what it's called. Now, should I? Nah, I'll just do that off camera another time. Okay, so I think we should just go to the front now and see how that's doing. I try not to bring too much snow in. Now he's gonna bark and whine for hours, I suppose. That's nice and toasty in there. Now, yeah, you can see how deep that is. I just don't want that roof to cave in. That's what's got me worried. Well, that actually looks more like a foot deep. Alright, get my feet out of there. Now, yeah, that is pretty deep, ain't it? I don't know if I'm going to leave that railing there. It's actually making this a bit more difficult. But it is warming up because underneath this, that stair looks wet. Now, yeah, just blow it all that way. And I'll get that with the snowblower later. Darn, that is pretty deep. The last step was hidden. Yeah, that looks wet underneath. So I guess that means it can't be that cold, or the snow is being an insulator. Yeah, that's more like it. What about this? Okay. There's so much snow up there, it's about to rip my tarp. sure hope it don't rip it. Now, let's get in here. Wow, all the snow came in. Let's get this off of here. That's quite heavy. How am I going to do this? Get over there. That's taking a lot out of me. I might have to just leave it there and deal with it. Yep. And how about the back? It's exhausting, friends. Yeah, there's quite a bit back here. I'm definitely gonna need that snowblower. Alright. Let's see if I can get that animal started. Some of the ice stayed. Oh, that's too hard. All this snow from these little holes, I guess. Yep. Shows you how windy it was. And I got a bit of gas in here. I'll just put it there for now. I'm just going to switch them around. Maybe I'll put the logs at the back. Yeah, that sounds like an idea. Logs back here. Oh, you're the heavy one. And this guy on the end, just like he was. Now, lawnmower in the corner. That should work, just like that. Okay. Put the chair back. Now, turn him up a little. Alright, you got a primer. Let's see if we can get this guy started. Hasn't started since last year and was drained of all the gas. Okay. Primer. Choke on. Gas up. Let's try it. My thing got bent.